previous video on 10 communication sins. Today we are going to speak about the great communication for effective communication for your team. One observation of coaching hundreds of business owners is that if a business owner doesn't eventually grow their business through others or through a team, they are going to get tired. So the biggie to start on that route is effective communication. To avoid communication breakdown, I would highly recommend to you to follow these rules of effective communication. Develop trust. The number one thing. It's not automatically given, right? It must be earned. Next, openly communicate more than you have to or need to. Make it your top priority. Don't create groups. Make it very transparent and communicate very openly together to everybody. And the next one is be as specific as possible in the words or phrases that you use. Don't be very generic. And number 4, I would say supply whatever background information and reasons people need to understand for especially when it comes to changes. Be absolutely honest with all employees. Remember, they can understand you. Actively share informations and feelings. Don't wait for the employees to think what's going to happen. Proactively share your information, share your feelings. Talk to employees as one adult to another, not patronizingly or not like a child, as an adult, one-to-one. Always solicit employee ideas, suggestions, reactions. Don't discard them. Follow through always, no exceptions. So recognize that the job of the manager or a business owner is to remove the roadblocks, irritants and frustrations, not to put them there, right? So remember, your team is as good as you are. Times are changing and so should your communications. So go ahead, get a loyal and committed team. This is Priscilla Khambata, changing lives of every committed business owner.